open it up. Okay, so here's the environmental safety sheet. Don't need that. Okay, comes with this solid dock. It's a really nice dock. USB-C, USB 3.0, headphone jack, DVI for the second monitor, HDMI. I believe this is the power cord. No, this is a maybe audio out, another USB-C, two USB 3.0s, LAN port, and then this is the power. This is the USB 3.0 Thunderbolt that you have to connect it to your laptop via. Okay, this is the power brick, quite hefty, but necessary given that it puts out 180 watts. Let's see, 180 watt. Okay. Okay, 180 watt. Comes with another power cord for the adapter itself. Let's see, and it has a quick start guide. Let's look through this. Let's see if you can see this in the monitor, but you know, it just says you have to go to dell.com/drivers. You have to download some special driver, but since I have a Dell computer, I might not even have to download anything. We'll see. So that port that I wasn't sure what it was, it still doesn't tell me what it is. We'll figure it out. If I need it, I'll know, I guess. Alrighty, so thank you for watching. That's that. I'll make another video once I have my workstation set up to show you how it's used.